one way. Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for.
One way.
Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for.
You are the way.
The truth and the right, can do you by mine, and not my side for you, and living life for you.
You are the way, the truth and the light.
Can live by faith and by my side for you, and
We're
living life for you.
One way.
And Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. Oh, one way. Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for.
You are the way, the truth and
The life and live by myself and by my side for you. Iba naman. Yung mga ano. May gusto kong kanta ano ano. Yun. Yung ano, yung comes in many shapes. We don't know what you got until it changes. Sige ko, umiyak ka. The hour, you can bend the past. Worried about till it didn't last. Every step you make has its cost. Every step you take when you're lost. After you clear your eyes, you see the light somewhere in the dark. And after the rain has come and feel the sun comes, you think it didn't matter ever last. Someday it's gonna make sense. Gusto ko yung kantang yun.
Bakit mo yung kinakanta? Alis naman po.
I like that song. Kasi ano siya, di ba, dinidescribe niya kung anong meron sa buhay natin.
Wait lang.
Oo,
Ang luha pala medyo salty.
Maalat daw. Ganun din kaya ang ihi, maalat.
Di ka lang ihi? Ew.
Oy, hindi ko naman sinasadya yun.
Girl, you are to me
All that a woman should be, and I dedicate my love for you always. Oh boy, I love you so. It must have been since wala na naman akong boss eh.
And I know you'll love you so for
always. And we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be you and me. Hey, yeah, ooh, you're like the sun, chasing all the terrain away. When you come around, you bring brighter day. You're a perfect one for me, and it forever will be. And I will love you so for all.
Let the love begin.
Okay. Let the love. Ayoko na naman tataas sa kanta.
Will lead us now.
Look at what we found. Make this moment turn our hearts around, and they never come again. Let it in. Let the love begin.
How did you know?
Yun. I needed someone like you in my life, and take all the little things in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Oh, I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and fears that I have. Never needed time to say it's not every day someone's like you comes my way. Words can express how much.
Napansin mo mga kanta ni Eric Santos, puro mga sad song.
Oo. Wala man na siya pabuhay.
Puro mga break.
Hindi love song.
Except sa Christmas album niya ha. Pero cover kasi. Pero yung original songs niya, puro mga pang-heartbreak. Muli pang pagbigyan pag-ibig natin.